Let's have a few examples. Find the focus, the directrix, and the axis of symmetry of the parabola. Then sketch its graph. We have an equation in standard form, y squared equals 8x. And what does this tell us? From the form of the equation, we know that the vertex is at the origin. And aside from that, we can see that the length of the latus rectum, 4a, so recalling 4a, refers to the length of the latus rectum for this parabola is 8. So since 4a equals 8, then the parameter a is equal to 2. Meaning, the distance from the vertex to the focus is 2 units, as well as from the vertex to the directrix. Okay. Now we know that the parameter is 2 units, and we know that the vertex is at the origin. Let's try to figure out where will this parabola be facing. Okay. Since the form, so y squared equals 8x, recalling that when we have the variable y to the second degree, so your parabola will either face right or left. And because 4a here is positive, then it will face the right side. Okay. So, for instance, this is your x-axis. This is the y-axis. Okay. And we already know, or we have established, that the vertex is at the origin. Here. This is the vertex. Okay. And your parabola will be facing the right side. So we have here, and we also have here. The distance, the parameter, or some references would also call it the focal distance. The focal distance is 2 units. So if that's the distance, so supposing this is 2 units away from the vertex, what do you think will be the coordinates of this point? Okay, so this is your focus F. Okay. Since it is 2 units from the vertex, then you are along the x-axis. The coordinates will be 2, 0. Now we have the focus. Next would be the directrix. So recalling, we know that whatever distance you have from the vertex to the focus is equal to the distance from the vertex to the fixed line called your directrix. So we still have A. So meaning to say, we go to the other side. So from the vertex, we move 2 units away. So this is where your directrix will pass through. Okay. So since it's a line, so we have a vertical line. Okay. Passing through -2, 0. So how do we define the equation of this, or how do we define this line? What is its equation? Since it's a vertical line, this line is defined by x equals -2. Okay. So now we have the focus, we have the directrix, axis of symmetry. Very easy. Okay. So this is, recalling, this is the y-axis, this is x. Now we simply look at where the vertex is located. Okay, it's at the origin. Okay, but since your parabola is facing the right side, then it will be the mirror. Okay, the axis that will serve as a mirror will be your x-axis. So the axis of symmetry, how do we define the x-axis as an equation? So the axis of symmetry will be y equals 0. So to summarize, the focus for this parabola is located at 2, 0. Directrix is the line x equals -2, and the axis of symmetry is y equals 0, or your x-axis.